Hi everyone, Robbie Susan Chandler here from Quincy, Florida, close to Tallahassee, Florida. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I'm sharing with you my number 5 in the series of Christmas cards made with this beautiful designer series paper called One Horse Open Sleigh. It's an online exclusive product, so you'll just have to put in the product number 162118 to get it to come up to order in your cart at our online store. It's kind of strange to be doing Christmas cards right here down in Florida because it's 95 degrees outside with a heat of 110. So we're under a heat advisory. So all the more reason to stay inside and make cards. Let me show you some more of this paper while we're talking about it. This was my card number 1 in my series, so you'll have to go to my YouTube channel and find the videos. I've made videos on all these 1 through 4, and this is number 5. But this was card 1. This was card 2. These 2 pieces were card number 3. This is the one we're doing today, so this would be card number 5. And this was another piece I used, these 2. Not sure which one that was. I've got my papers all mixed up here. But today we're going to be using this piece. But there are a lot of nice pieces in this pack, front and back. This one I'll be using on card number 6. And this one I'll be using on card number 7. So let's get started with this one. This is the card of today, card number 5. And this is kind of a little Z-fold card. The little Z there, and it folds out, and I like it because it shows just about this whole sheet of paper, the beauty of it. And see, here's the whole piece, and we just about see the whole piece here. So let's look at our pieces of cardstock we need and how to cut them. Alright, this is our card base. This is Lost Lagoon. It's 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 1.5 and 4 1/4. So to fold this, you would just fold this piece back and then fold it in, and you've got your Z-fold here. Now, I didn't like this area right here being blank looking like that, so what I did, I embossed a 5 3/8 by 2.5 inch piece of Lost Lagoon paper and embossed it with the cross hatch embossing folder. Now this is another online exclusive, and it's a set of 3, and I really like even the other ones in it. One is kind of a bubble, and the other one looks like either a little starfish or poinsettias. So I embossed this piece with the cross hatch, and then I just adhered it right here to this inside front. So when the card's closed up, or when you pull it out of the envelope, you will see a little design there. Alright, let's look at how to cut our paper. So this is the paper, and it's 6 by 6, and I just cut off the bottom of it 5/8 inch. So that left 5 3/8. I started over on the left, moved it through my cutter, and I cut this piece first, and it's 2 3/4 inches. And then I cut this little strip, which is 1 1/4 inches, and that left this 2-inch strip. So we have 2 3/4, 1 1/4, and then the 2-inch piece left. So let's see how we put that on the card. Now there is a kind of specific order. Oh, and this piece too. This is the piece that goes over on the side, and this is this white piece is 2 by 5 3/8. And I stamped it with Pebble Path for the tree and Lost Lagoon for my sentiment. And the big sentiment came from Framed in Festive, which is a retired set, but the tree is from the Horse and Sleigh die set right there. Okay, let's go back to how we put our pieces on. Okay, so the very first piece, the narrowest strip, which would be the middle strip, I adhered it first, right at the fold, and leave a little bit of space so your card will fold up. So that's piece number 2. Piece number 1. Piece number 2 is in it here right next to it, and you're going to leave a little bit of space. So let's look at that. Here we've got the second one of here. See, it folds up. And then the next piece we're going to put down is this one. And you leave another just a tiny little space when you put it down. And then we have these 3 down, and see when you fold it up, you'll see that, your sentiment. So this piece, you're only going to put your adhesive right on this flap, and when you lay it down, you want to line it up so it covers that inside sentiment, just like that. So when it opens up, you'll see it, but you want to make sure it's far enough over that it covers it. So here is that piece on there. Now I stamped a sentiment right here on the front, so I didn't have to add another piece of paper. So this sentiment is from Brightest Glow. And then you open it up and you have the rest. And that's the card. How easy could that be? And I love it that it shows the whole 6 inches of the Designer Series paper. Makes a beautiful scene there. So anyway, I hope you like this card. Like I said, this is card number 5. I'll be filming card number 6 soon. And I hope you will subscribe to my channel and like this video. And until next time, happy crafting!